everybody, my name is Nadine and you are, what's your name?
No, Vivian is not
Ang dami mo sinabi. Her name is Andy. Okay, so today we are going to unbox this gift from Tiny Buds. Look, Andy, it's a box.
Wow, a box!
Wow, a box. Wait till you see what's inside. Okay, so it says here, thank you for taking me home. Okay, so we're gonna open.
Look at the butterfly.
Yes, it's a butterfly. Okay, so actually, they gave this to us because they recently launched their newest character, Chabee. There you go, I got that right. Chabee the Panda. So let's see if Chabee is inside this box. You ready to open, Andy?
I'm ready to open.
Ready to open! Woo! Okay, let's do this. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wait. And here we go. Whoa! Look! Look! Yeah! What's that? Wait, come here. You're blocking the camera. What's that, Andy? Let's show them what we got. What's this?
It's a panda.
It's a panda. Yes, Chabee is inside the box. Hi, my name is Chabee the Panda. No, Chabee the Hungry Panda.
It's a bee.
It's a bee. Yes, a bee is on the shoulder of Chabee. Cute. So cute. You wanna hug? You wanna hug? Oh, come here. See with mommy. Ayan. Okay, so cute, right? Oh, she likes it. You like it? You like your new toy? Come.
My teddy.
Teddy. That's a panda, not a teddy. But close enough.
My panda.
Oh, my panda. Oh. She's closing her eyes. Okay, so let's see what else is inside the box.
I
Oh.
was a good person.
It's Mommy, what? What's this? Sabi niya, Mommy, look. Okay. Okay.
Blue.
Yeah, it's blue. Okay, but wait, look, you have stickers. Oh, nice. You have stickers. Look at all your stickers. So
Wow, a
nice.
sticker.
Yeah, it's so cute. Look over your face. Ayan, oh, so many.
Panda was it?
Yeah, there's a panda and a rainbow and a bee. What else? What else is in there? What's that?
It is strawberry.
Strawberry. No, that's this one. Yes, this one is a strawberry. But this one is, what's that? Avocado.
Avocado.
So nice. I'll show you
so many
later.
stickers.
So many stickers. That's right. Oh, there's one more here. Look.
Wow,
Cute.
so many too.
Yeah, so many teeth. But yes, that's right.
I will look at the tooth.
It's a tooth. Yeah, it's nice, right? Okay, so there's a tooth here because Tiny Buds actually has
Wow,
a
it's
toothpaste.
So many.
Yeah, they have
Mommy,
a
mommy, look at the blue.
Okay, amazed na amazed talaga siya dito. Okay, so yes, this is your gift. Yes, anyway, as I was saying, Tiny Buds has a toothpaste and and Andy actually uses it. It's so yummy. I actually tried it. So there's two kinds. One is stage 1 and obviously the other one is stage 2. So they're for
Mommy,
Yeah.
look at the snail.
yeah, so they're for different age groups. But yeah, I like it and she uses that. And look what else is in here, Andy. Oh wow! Wow! It's a storybook about Chabee the Panda. And it's this is a storybook.
Happy panda,
I love you, Panda. Yeah, so this is a story about honesty. So I'm going to read this to you later.
I
Yeah.
take it.
Okay, we're gonna read that tonight, okay? Oh, cute. Oh, nice.
Nice.
And it's even hardbound. So my baby will not destroy it, hopefully. Yeah, wow. Okay, later I'm gonna read the story to you, okay? And teach you about honesty. So you will never lie to mommy, okay? Don't ever lie to mommy, huh? Huh? Don't ever lie to mommy, okay?
I love you.
I love you, Panda. She loves the panda so so much.
Mommy,
Oh.
look, look, look. It's a bee.
Yes, it's a bee, and she loves the bee also. Okay, wait, let's see. There's more here. There's more stuff in. Oh, look, they also gave us baby wipes for your bum bum.
Oh, a panda.
A panda.
Mommy, look, look, look. It's a panda.
Nice. Okay, so it says here that these baby wipes
I
are
love you, panda.
alcohol free,
I love
so
you.
very safe for your baby, and it's safe for hands, face, and bum. So I really trust Tiny Buds. I've been using their products. Well, not me, but she's been using Tiny Buds products. So she's used the diaper rash.
Mommy, look, look, look. It's a pink.
Yes, laundry detergent. What else did you use before? The baby bottle wash. Yeah, I love those travel size. I love those travel size pouches. So I used to bring them along whenever we went somewhere, like staycations or somewhere. Yeah, and then what else did we use before? Shucks, there's so many, so I don't remember. Wait, oh yeah, I remember. I used their powder. Where's the powder? Later, I'll show you. I'll show you the powder. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, thank you. This is very helpful. You know, we always need wipes. So she's going to be using this definitely. And then, oh, you want? Oh, you read the story for mom. You read the story for mom.
That one and mommy doing this. Doing?
Ay, oh, cute. So there's mommy panda and baby panda. Oh, who's that? Say, excuse me.
Excuse me.
That's mommy panda and baby panda. That's us. Yeah, me panda. I have eye bags. Okay. And oh yes, speaking of, this is the Inner Rash Natural Nappy
Wow,
Cream.
a panda.
Yes, a panda only, not pandas, because it's only one panda, right? Yeah, we use this also because when she has rashes.
Look at the
Ito
stickers.
naman siya. Ayan. So, yeah, we use this whenever she has rashes.
That's me.
I like using this on her because I know that the ingredients are safe and natural. So, I'm not scared that her skin will get irritated. And yeah, so this is also pedia trusted, it says here, and it's true. Actually, a lot of pedias recommend this. Natural ingredients, safe for sensitive skin. That's true.
Mommy,
Steroid
look,
free.
It's a bee.
Yes, zinc oxide free. Ayan. So actually, a lot of diaper creams have zinc oxide, which I heard can be harmful for your baby, and this one doesn't have that. And of course, it's also paraben and petroleum free. So you should get one of these, moms. Okay. Yeah. So that's it. Wait, let me look for. Cause I'm bothered. I want to show you my powder. Let me get it. Hold on. Yes. Wait. There. Okay. I found it. So yeah, I wanted to show you this because these are also some of the Tiny Buds products that I swear by. So this is After Bites Natural Soothing Gel. This isn't part of
Mommy,
the.
look, it's a
Yes,
panda.
yes, more pandas. Yes, this isn't part of the box. We actually bought this a long time ago. And
Mommy,
yes,
it's
yeah, sure, done. Yes, I know. So, yeah, there's a time when Andy got bitten by mosquitoes all the time. So, yeah, we needed something to put on her skin. So we got this, which is also recommended by a lot of my mommy friends and Pedia also. So yeah, this is a soothing gel, as it says here on the label. So same ingredients as sorry, not same ingredients, but same characteristics as the nappy cream. So also natural and safe ingredients and paraben free. So all the harmful stuff are not found in this one, and I really like it. It really works on her, and it gives her instant relief whenever she gets the itchies from
Yeah.
mosquito bites. And yeah, so yeah, I wanted to show you this one. This is the rice baby powder. Also,
Mommy, look, it's a pandas. It's a pandas.
yeah, also from Tiny Buds, and also not part of the box, and we actually got this
Yes,
before.
that was-
So
that was-
yeah, because there was one time when Andy had some rashes at the back. I'm not sure what it was, but hold on, let me remember. I think my pedia said something like bungang araw. Yeah, so a bit, some bumps at the back. and she recommended that we use this. We put this on her back. So yeah, it actually helped her. And you know why I like it? Because I use it on my face. Yeah, so this is a beauty hack, okay? So I'm talking. So this is a beauty hack, okay? So when you put on foundation, you can actually layer this on top of your foundation, and it's a good setting powder. I'm not kidding. Yes, so if you wanna stay away from, makeup with nasty chemicals, this is a good option.
Mommy, smell.
Yes, snow. Ano? Snow? I smell. A smell. Okay. Does it smell like anything? Yes, okay. Yay! Okay, so, Andy, you say thank you to Tiny Buds. Thank you, Tiny Buds. Thank you. Say thank you. Uy. Andy. Uy. Andy, say thank you to Tiny Buds.
Did you count tiny bugs?
Again, say thank you, Tiny Buds.
Thank you, tiny bugs.
Tiny bugs. Tiny buds. You look at the camera and say thank you, Tiny Buds.
Thank you.
Ano? Thank you, Tiny Buds. Ano, thank you, sir? Nangyari. Okay, just say Tiny Bugs. Okay, thank you, Tiny Buds, for this lovely package. And
Mommy,
yeah, this super cute panda that she obviously cannot get enough of. So yeah, thank you. This is such a nice gift, and I can't wait for her to read the story. Can't wait to read the story for her, actually. Yeah, it says learns how to tell the truth. Ayun na, she just want to give it to me. Ayan, so I can't wait to read the story to her, and we're gonna play with these stickers later. And of course, we're gonna use this too, the wipes and the nappy cream. Thank you, Tiny Buds. All right, let's go. Let's clean up and let's play. Bye. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mwah. Acting. What's with the acting? You're acting like you're sleeping beside Panda? Oh look, it says here your name learns how to tell the truth. So I'm supposed to put your name there. So Andy learns how to tell the truth.
That's Panda. Popsicle.
Okay, go read the story. Read the story.
What's this, Easy Panda? What's this? It's a panda's nail. The end.
The end agad. Okay, just sleep. Good night.